We're used to having appliances perform one or two functions, right? Well, this 750 watt T-fal rice and multi-cooker offers an incredible 10 distinct cooking programs, so it's worth its weight in gold. Equally capable of making small or large quantities of a variety of ingredients, including rice, grains and cereals, you'll love its convenience and inbuilt features. Its large 5-litre non-stick bowl quickly and easily makes up to 10 cups of rice, so it's more than ample enough for large families and to whip up large batches of a variety of other dishes. You'll find a very large, clearly marked digital control panel here at the front, from which you can schedule delayed starts of up to 24 hours. Delay start is a great little feature to have your meals cooked before you get home or before entertaining guests, and the machine's auto keep warm function keeps the contents ready for serving. Customers have been really pleased with the texture the cooker achieves. Among its 10 automatic cooking programs, you'll find options for porridge, cereals, risotto, slow cooking, steaming, crusting, frying and yogurt. So it's got an incredible range of functions ready to use, and a steam basket and measuring cup are also included. It's just about as easy as adding your ingredients and setting the cooking time. Inbuilt fuzzy logic cooking technology will also adjust the cooking time automatically depending on the contents, so you can feel comfortable that rice, porridge and more will be cooked to perfection. Let's take a look inside. First up, you have the steaming compartment, and here's the bowl where you cook your rice. And when you want to clean up afterwards, the detachable lid and removable bowl make the maintenance nice and easy. And that's the 10-in-1 T-fal multi-cooker. Thanks for watching.